Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the luxury package, which is going to give you a luxury exterior and interior. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, glass center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E300 4MATIC has 36,059 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.